This is a Toyota Camry 2002 to 2006. It's got the rear shade right here. When you remove this, I tried to get to the speaker, but I could not get it out until you get this out. I think because there's a screw somewhere down here and then up here that holding it. As you can see, I got everything out already. Hey, why is this going back in? Well, I gotta lift this out right here. See, it's stuck. It won't come out. It's a shade thing that I had to get out. So now I am going to take a tools and push this part right here in, because there's a clip right here, but I don't know if this is gonna work. I might have to use my other tools. So I'm gonna leave the camera to my partner right here. Partner, can you hold this for me? So I'm gonna go up here and try to find a little metal clip. This thing kind of broke off a little bit. You can't really tell, but it's in there, right there. I don't know if this tool will work. I might have to use something else. Let me see. And then you pry it up. I'll show you how to do this when I had a good hold of camera right here. So this might be a little bit too long to push. There's a clip in here you have to get out. And in order to get that out, I probably need something smaller than that. Nope, that's not gonna work. So let me grab some other tool. So like I said, I tried to watch a lot of video. I could not find anybody. I had to kind of peel this thing out. There's a clip right there. You have to push it in, but how you gonna push it in if you don't have no room right here, basically? So what I've done, I took like a prior and just kind of pry it out a little bit to kind of pull this out, but a little bit. But it's okay because it's gonna cover back right there. And then lift it up. And after this, you're gonna pull it this way a little bit, but watch the window. Window is not cheap. Like I was saying, you have to push this in like this. That's the hardest part. You got to get this kind of clip out. You cannot do anything with this because it will break it. So somehow, like I said, you're gonna have to pry it out a little bit. Try to push it out from one side like this. But remember, you're gonna have to try hard. You might have to break a little bit of this piece, but no one will see it. I mean, who's gonna look it up right there? I couldn't even see the holes that I was thinking about putting something in here to pry this, but it won't reach it, as you can see right here. So whatever I did, it won't work unless you pry it out like here first. And then, like I said, it's gonna dent that piece a bit, but it will be okay. Now I can be able to take a 10mm socket and move somewhere out right there. I know there's a socket right here somehow, somewhere that holding it. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can pry this out. Here you go. I can't really see it, but I'm gonna show you the screw. Oh, that's a Phillips or number, I think number 10. I can't really see. I'm gonna have to take this out and this one out right here, right by next to it. It's about 1.5 inches over there. That's a screw to take that out. Like I said, a lot of video doesn't have this shade right here. So you get it out, everything is easy, just like easy squeezy. Pick it up and pull it straight out and watch the wire. And then you're gonna have to, a lot of number 10 right there, just leave it right there. Be careful not to break this. This is fragile, right here, fragile. So now I can able to take that 10mm, take it all out. See right there, I got the black to the positive and the green to the negative right here. Plug the speaker in. What I used, it's called soft taper screw right there. You want to use about 1 inch soft taper screw and screw it on there. And you will have to be careful because if you slip, you're going to hit the speaker. So that's it. That's all you have to do. The same color. The black is positive and the green is negative. Here is the diagram. You got front left, pink, violet, but this is depend on a certain car. Certain cars got a JBL system, it might cost you a little bit more. So as you can see, left front pink positive, violet's negative, and right front blue, green, and blue. It was green and blue on all car, and then rear speaker black, yellow, left rear, rear left, and then rear right you got red and white, but on our case it was black and green. Black was positive. So that's it, and good luck to you guys. And it is difficult to put that shade back in.